I have some doubts also, sir.
ठीक है, ओके. सो हम लोग एक बार स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट नाउ, राइट? है ना? सो एग्जांपल्स में किसी को डाउट हुआ? टेल मी. एग्जांपल्स में किसी को डाउट है? यू कैन जस्ट टेल मी द नंबर. ठीक है, यू कैन जस्ट टेल मी द नंबर कि सर ये नंबर में डाउट है. ठीक है, मैसेज मी द नंबर. ओके, राइट? Yes, Karthikeya, I'll send second May's recording. Right? Anyone have any doubt in examples? I guess examples हो गए होंगे, है ना? Examples
Sir, examples
Sir, I
were
have a
very
doubt.
good.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, I too have a doubt in examples.
Tell me, examples में जो भी doubt है पूछो, message करो. Examples.
Sir,
Example 3. Okay, example 3. Example 3, right? How many of you just guys try to message, okay? Because if you start speaking, na, it will have lots of noise, right? है ना? Right? Wait, तेजू, हम बताऊंगा मैं जो जो क्वेश्चन पे उसमें पूछना, ठीक है? ऐसे तो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना. Now, example 3 बताओ. Example 3 में concept कौन सा है? Tell me. If anyone who solved example 3, the concept is based on what? Tell me. Which property?
division.
Division, right? And bod mass.
Board mass.
Ayana,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Now, when we talk about bod mass, very good. When you talk about bod mass, everyone remember, when you talk about bod mass, सबसे पहले किसका काम करते हैं?
Sir, division.
Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Bracket.
Sir, bracket open.
Bracket. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction.
Bracket open, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
Bracket open, division.
Okay, everyone, I understood you knew. I had to mute you guys because again, right? है ना? So it is bracket and this is off. This is off. Off means multiplication. Off का मतलब multiplication ही होता है, ठीक है? Right? चलो, very good. सबको आता है, very good. So यहाँ पे bracket में है कि नहीं? Bracket में पहले ये है. So I have to calculate this first. Yes or no? Raise your hand. पहले मैं इसको करूँगा ना? Step by step, right? Yes, very good, very good. Those who got, okay. So tell me, 8. Now, when you talk about division, right? When you talk about division, it is basically multiply, right? And this is reciprocal, 1/2. And see, plus into minus, we will get minus. ठीक है? हाँ या ना? ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Step by step. Because sir, division is multiplication of reciprocal. So 2 से 8 गया 4 times. So this is -4. Everyone is getting this first step. First step, everyone got it? Yes, very good, everyone. Everyone got the first step, है ना? Sir, 8 divided by -2 is -4. Now, we know that's a -16. Now, division again can be written as -1 by -4. Now, the minus क्या होता है? What is minus into minus? Tell me. What is minus into minus? Plus. Very good. So it is plus. And 16 divided by 4 will give me 4. So the answer is +4. ठीक है? The answer is +4. Clear? Everyone is clear? +4 is the correct answer. मात्रा लो, सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes, that's why ना. But -2 के अंदर कुछ नहीं है ना, इसलिए तो पहले उसको किया. -2 के अंदर कुछ नहीं है ना, वो तो बस ये दिखाने के लिए किया कि that the division negative is just a sign over here. ठीक है? Okay, very good, Indu, very good everyone. I understood that all of you know bod mass. ठीक है? Now, after 3, any other doubt in example? After 3, any other doubt in example? Tell me. सबको समझ में आ रहा था? Very good. Very good, Gaurish. Very good, Nidhi. है ना? चलो. Okay. So example, it is clear. Example हो गया हमारा. Now, I hope everyone have written the problems, solve the problems in a notebook, है ना? So जो भी doubts हैं वो notebook में लिखो. 11 question by 11, ठीक है? Question by 11 देखो. Everyone see question by 11. Everyone see question by 11, ठीक है? Everyone, right? 11. Now a divided by -1. So it is easy. A into -1 because 1 by 1 is -1, so it is -a, है ना? Right? Yes, second, 1 divided by a. Sir, 1 divided by a. So it is 1 into 1 by a. हाँ या ना? Into 1 by a. So it is 1 by a. बताओ 1 by a integer है? Tell me. 1 by a is an integer. Tell me. No. So that is what? That is right. This is b. This is b. This is a. This is b. Now minus a divided by minus a. Minus a divided by, which is into 1 by minus a. So क्या हो जाएगा 1 1. So this is C and a divided by 1 is D. So this is the answer. ठीक है? Right? Okay. So the answer, I hope all of you understood. ठीक है? Very good. Yes, correct. है ना? Everyone got this. चलो, everyone got this. Very good. Okay. So exercise, right? Exercise. 1 to 10 एक्सरसाइज में 1 to 10 के बीच में एक्सरसाइज 1 to 10 एक्सरसाइज 1 to 10 मैं बता रहा हूँ जो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ उससे बताओ 1 to 10 में बताओ 1 to 10 में एनी डाउट इन 1 to 10 सबसे पहले लिख दो फिर मैं डिस्कस करूंगा 1 to 10 ओनली बिटवीन 1 to 10 ओके एग्जांपल 12 ओके एग्जांपल 12 ठीक है नो डाउट ओके ठीक है एग्जांपल 12 पहले कर रहा हूँ मैं फिर से एग्जांपल 12 देखो ठीक है एग्जांपल 12 write a pair of integers whose sum is 0 but difference is 10 sum का मतलब addition right pair of integers sum कितना है 0 है but difference 10 है right difference means subtraction ठीक है right so sum is 0 so 5 obviously sum is 0 तो एक नंबर होगा और एक उसका additive inverse होगा हाँ या ना raise your hand if the sum is 0 then any number and its additive inverse should be taken. Yes or no? Any number and its additive inverse. So it is plus. अब बताओ 5 का additive inverse क्या है? What is the additive inverse of 5? What is the additive inverse of 5? Minus 5. Very good. So this is 0. है ना? Right? अब बताओ 5. Next 5 minus of minus 5 कितना हो जाएगा? 5 minus of minus 5 कितना हो जाएगा? Sir, minus plus हो जाएगा है ना? Very good. So the answer, I hope all of you got the answer. Right? So it is 10. ठीक है? Clear ये चीज? Everyone clear in this? ठीक है? Got it. Very good. Aditya, question number 10. Question number 10. Again, question number 10 is sum is 11 and minus 4. It is basically addition. Aditya, it is just addition. ठीक है? Right? Question number 10 बस add करना है. देखना है कि किसका right? Sum is, tell me. Sum is between minus 7 and minus 4. ठीक है? बस addition है, addition, सिर्फ addition. Then to example, okay. Exercise का 9 and 10. Okay, exercise 9 and 10. So we are done with examples. Right? अब इसका example होगा last में क्या बताएगा? We are done with examples. ठीक है? 1 to 10 में 9 and 10. 9 and 10. ठीक है? Okay, everyone. 9, 10 से पहले किसी का नहीं है ना 9, 10. ठीक है? 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. ठीक है? 8, 9, 10. Wait. अभी रुक जाओ अभी रुक जाओ. अभी 8, 9, 10 खत्म होने पहले. ठीक है? So 8 देखो 8. Everyone 8. So this is a number line, yes or no? So this is a number line. बीच में 0 है. अब बताओ राइट हैंड साइड में 0 के क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव नंबर की नेगेटिव नंबर. राइट हैंड साइड के 0 के राइट हैंड साइड में पॉजिटिव होता है नेगेटिव होता है? पॉजिटिव. वेरी गुड आयुष, वेरी गुड गौरीश, वेरी गुड बिंदु. एवरीवन नो दैट राइट? एंड दिस साइड इज नेगेटिव है ना? ठीक है? तो बताओ एक चीज बताओ, राइट हैंड साइड जाओगे तो नंबर बढ़ेगा कि छोटा होगा? टेल मी. If you go from left to right, number will increase or decrease? Big increase, yes or no? Ayana, very good everyone. See, left to right, number will increase. Left to right, number will increase. ठीक है? बड़ा होता जाएगा है ना? नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव होगा, पॉजिटिव में बड़ा होता जाएगा. ठीक है? You have to yes increase. अब बताओ सबसे राइट मोस्ट कौन सा है? सबसे राइट में कौन सा नंबर है? सबसे राइट में क्या है? ये है ना? राइट गोल है. तो गोल इज सबसे बड़ा. गोल के बाद क्या है? टिक. तो गोल के बाद टिक. देन क्रॉस. then cross, then dot. So smallest number is dot. Now tell me, what is the answer? Tell me, what is the answer? Right? And because the question is asked in descending order, right? So you have to write biggest, then second biggest, third biggest, and smallest. So the answer is C. Got it, everyone? Everyone got this 8? Hannah? So the concept was, sir, number line. We have to know that number line from left to right, number increases. Okay. Now, let me ask you one more thing. -6 or -2, कौन बड़ा है? -6 or -2, कौन बड़ा है दोनों में? Very good, everyone. Very good, right? -2 is bigger, है ना? -2 is bigger. Very good. सबको ये पता है? I'm just checking it, right? Very good, है ना? Because it is like 2 रुपए उधार लिए हैं और एक किसने 6 रुपए उधार लिए, right? है ना? Right? Okay, very good. ठीक है, चलो, correct, very good. Okay, next, 9th. Everyone, see question number 9. Everyone, see question 9. On the number line, the value of 3 into 3 lies on the right hand side of 0 or left hand side of 0. Tell me, right hand side or left hand side? -3 into 3. Tell me, -3 or plus. So, -3 into 3 is what? Positive number or negative number? So, -3 into 3 is -9. Right? हाँ ना? सर वो तो -9 हो जाएगा. Right? Tell me, -3 into 3 is equal to -9. अब बताओ, -9 किससे बड़ा है? Tell me, -9 is bigger than which number? Tell me, -9 is bigger than which number? Because it is right hand side, right? So I can say, sir, -9 यहाँ है. This is -9 on number line. This is -9, right? Wait. There's some issue with this. Yeah. So this is your left hand side. This is the left hand side. And this is the right hand side, right? And now of 9. So lies on the right hand side of this. So right hand side, कौन सा हो गया? ये हो गया right hand side. Tell me, right hand side is this? Yes or no? Right? So the number values lie on right hand side of this. इसके right hand side में, ये किसके right hand side में? So it is -10. -10 के right hand side में -9 है और -8 के left hand side में -9 है. ठीक है? So -9 is right of -10, है ना? Because it is bigger than -10, but it is less than -. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस नहीं लिखने हैं, बस सॉल्व करके आंसर लिखना है. 10 देखो everyone, 10. So 5 divided by -1. So it is what? 5 into -1. अब बताओ 5 into -1 कितना होता है? -5. आया ना? -5. तो -5 does not lie between. Simple. अब बताओ इसका आंसर क्या होगा? -5 किसके बीच में नहीं लाई करता है? -5 is a positive number or negative number? Tell me. Tell me. Voice is breaking, guys. Yes, very good, Ayush. Very good, Jia. Very good. Voice is clear. 0 to 10, है ना? Because sir, it is negative number, and 0 to 10 is always positive, right? So the answer is B. ठीक है? Right? Everyone got this? Tell me, everyone got this? Correct. है ना? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये? Aditya, I just said, sir, -5 is a negative number. -5 is a negative number. Now tell me, 0 to 10 के बीच में कोई negative number रहेगा क्या? Tell me. Shreya? Only answers, Shreya. That's ठीक है? Okay. ठीक है, चलो next. Tell me, next. 11. Okay, my voice is cracking. My voice is breaking, guys. Wait, everyone. Okay, 11. Now 11 देखो, 11 is a good problem. 11, everyone. Focus on problem 11, right? Okay, so it is fine. Okay, very good. So See question number 11, everyone. 11 देखो, water level पहले पढ़ो. Whenever you have a problem ना, right, you should not have the problem in, yes, you should wait Nabil, अभी हम एक कर रहे हैं 11 to 15 देख रहे हैं. Okay Nabil, 11 to 15 I'll remember this. 31 34 52 but 11 to 15, 11 is a good problem, right? You have to think what is given, right? Information क्या given है, ठीक है? So take your time and try to understand. So water level in a well was 20 meters below the ground level. Everyone, let us make a diagram. Let us make a diagram first. Okay, right? Let's make a diagram. So, sir, suppose this is a ground level. Suppose this is a ground level, right? This is a ground level. Everyone, step by step. Okay, this is a ground level. So I can say, sir, water level in well was 20 meters below the ground level. Okay, right? Suppose water is here. Water यहाँ पे है. This is the water level, right? This is the water level. है ना? Water level is here. Water level is here. And this distance is 20 meters. This distance is 20 meters. Step by step, step by step. During rainy season, rainwater collected in different water tanks was drained into the well and water level rises 5 meters above the previous level. अब इससे 5 मीटर ऊपर उठ गया, 5 मीटर ऊपर उठ गया. Yes or no? Tell me step by step. अभी this is your नया level. This is your नया level. So what is this distance now? Tell me what is this distance now? Step by step सोचेंगे, step by step सोचेंगे. What is the new distance? Very good, very good. 15 ना 5 से ऊपर उठ गया तो कम हो जाएगा ना, हाँ है ना. वाटर लेवल अगर ऊपर उठ गया तो कम हो जाएगा. This is 15 मीटर. समझ में आया? This is 15 मीटर. Okay, right? Now, okay. If the wall is 1 meter 20 centimeter high, so ये जो wall है, this is the wall, right? Suppose this is the wall, है ना? ये जो wall है, this wall of the well is 1 meter 20 centimeter high, है ना? ये जो है, this is your 1 meter 20 centimeter, 1 meter 20 centimeter, right? Which is 1.2 meter, 1.2 meter, है ना? ये 1.2 meter है. Clear? Step by step. This is 1.2 meter. Basic addition है यहाँ पे. But language है और language में मुझे दिक्कत होती है, इसलिए problems होगा, right? So ask yourself, sir, problem कब होता है? Very good Teju, correct. Right? Now, okay, is fixed at the height of 80 centimeter and pulley is fixed at a height of 80 centimeter. यहाँ पे pulley है. This is pulley at a height of 80 centimeter. This is 80 centimeter. Right? Now, Raghu wants to draw water from the well. The minimum length of rope he can use. अब सोचो, visualize करो एक बार. Everyone, visualize this. Don't you think, sir, जो well में रस्सी चाहिए होगी, वो at least कितना लंबा चाहिए होगा? Tell me. At least ये ऐसे होकर ऐसे जाना चाहिए. This orange one should be the. Tell me. Orange one should be the length of the rope. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? So tell me. ये जो distance है, sir, this distance is 15. This is your 15 meter. और ये ऊपर में यहाँ से आकर तक का distance कितना हो गया? Tell me, what is this distance? Everyone, what is this distance? 1.2 plus 80 centimeter plus 0.8. So this is 2 meter. हाँ या ना? बताओ कितना लंबा रस्सी चाहिए? Everyone, think about it. कितना लंबा रस्सी चाहिए? 17 plus 2 कितना होता है? 17 plus 2 कितना होता है? Srijit, 15 plus 2 कितना होता है? Srijit, what is 15 plus 2? 15 plus 2, sorry, not 17 plus 2, 15 plus 2. 17, yes or no? है ना? Right, because यहाँ तक तो वो पकड़ लेगा ना, यहाँ तक तो वो पकड़ लेगा, है ना? यहाँ तक तो पकड़ लेगा, तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक चाहिए, right? ठीक है? Now, plus, अब ये देखो, अगर यहाँ पे, ठीक है, okay? ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पे क्या पूछा है? मिनिमम लेंथ. दिस इज द मिनिमम लेंथ, राइट? दिस इज द मिनिमम लेंथ. ठीक है, मिनिमम लेंथ कितना हो गया? 17. क्लियर है? हाँ या ना? राइट? यस. बट अगर यहाँ पे अगर हमने क्या इग्नोर किया? हमने इग्नोर किया कि रघु का हाइट 2 मीटर है. यस और नो? वी अज्यूम दैट द रघु का हाइट इज, राइट, है ना? यस श्रीजीत, अगेन वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, राइट? वही बोल रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे हमने अज्यूम किया, ठीक है, कि रघु का हाइट इज 2 मीटर, है ना? राइट? धनश्री, Srijit, your logic is totally correct, right? है ना? बट यहाँ पे ये बोल दिया है, यहाँ पे जो मान लिया ना के लिए टाई करने के लिए ज्यादा रस्सी नहीं लगा है ना? बिकॉज इट कैन बी 17.5 ऑल्सो ना. यस और नो? 1 मीटर थोड़ी रस्सी टाई करने लगता है. यस और नो? टाई करने में 1 मीटर लगता है क्या? टेल मी. यस और नो? वेरी गुड आयुष, करेक्ट. Dhanashree, I'll explain again. Right, everyone, focus more, right? Focus on this problem again. Sir, I said, okay, right? Here again, अगर क्वेश्चन में बोलता ना कि if the question would have told that height of Raghu is 1 meter only, जो कि नॉर्मली होता है 1 मीटर ही होता है, उनसे ज्यादा. height of Raghu, if it would have said that height of Raghu is 1 meter, then the answer would be 18. ठीक है, right? समझ में आया? ठीक है, right? ओके, सो अगेन यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन को हिसाब से करेंगे, ठीक है? राइट, क्वेश्चन में मिनिमम पूछा है ना, इसीलिए हम लोग मिनिमम ही करेंगे, मिनिमम. ठीक है, सो वी अज्यूम कि रस्सी बांधने में बिल्कुल बहुत कम खर्च हुआ है, राइट? और हाइट रघु की 2 मीटर है, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट वी आर अज्यूमिंग. ठीक है, सो प्रीवियस लेवल वाज -20, नीचे जा रहा है तो -20. ना इट राइजेस बाय 5 यूनिट, 5 मीटर. सो द new depth is 15. This is -15 meter. Now the height of the pulley is 2 meter. The height of the pulley is 2 meter. ठीक है, the height of the pulley is 2 meter, right? Now technically देखा जाए तो it should come till this point. It should be till this point, right? हाँ या ना? If you talk about practical point of view, practically it should be 18. Yes or no? Practically it should be 18, right? कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सही है, practically it should be 18, है ना? But क्योंकि क्वेश्चन बहुत कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया है, that's why I'm taking minimum I'll take at 17, but practically it should be 18. ठीक है ना? Because here when I'm taking 17, I'm assuming कि Raghu is very tall and he is reaching till this point. Yes or no? Right? हम वो assume कर रहे हैं, है ना? That height of Raghu is actually 2 meter and he is reaching at the height till pulley. ठीक है, ओके, राइट एवरीवन? सबको समझ में आ गया ये? हाँ या ना? ओके, नेक्स्ट. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. सो प्रैक्टिकल आंसर इज 18, right? But if we assume that Raghu height is 2 meter and there is no rope used or for tying very less rope is used, then it would be 17. ठीक है, राइट? चलो, ओके, सॉरी, यहाँ पे फिगर दिया हुआ है, तो अगेन अगर फिगर दिया हुआ है तो पता चलेगा ना, फिगर दिया तो आंसर इज 18. यस और नो? राइट, नाउ इट इज क्लियर बिकॉज रघु इज नॉट दैट टॉल, राइट? फिगर इज गिवन. ठीक है, राइट? No, Kinira, we are not playing Kahoot today. We will discuss this ना, right? We are not playing Kahoot today. ठीक है, okay, चलो, this is clear. I guess this is clear. The answer is 18 meter because diagram is given. Next, till question number 15. Any doubts? Till question number 15. Any doubts? 14. Okay, 15. Till question 15. 14 is doubt. Message, right? जो number है बस वही message करो. ठीक है? 14, 15. Okay, wait. 14, 15. आप wait कर लो. 14 देखो. 14. ये क्लास में किया है. What is the meaning of additive inverse? Tell me. What is the meaning of additive inverse? What is the meaning of additive inverse? What is the additive inverse of? No, Shreya, answer will be 18, right? Because see here, diagram, according to diagram, the height of Raghu is not that, right? Till the pulley, है ना? This height of Raghu is not till pulley. So यहाँ तक नीचे से लेकर यहाँ तक is नीचे से लेकर यहाँ तक is 17, and there's some more here also. So this is 1 meter. I'm assuming so it is 18. ठीक है? Okay, Shrey. Yes, very good. So additive inverse of A is minus A, right? So I can say, sir, in this additive inverse of A is minus A. So बस देखना है इसमें minus A किसका आंसर नहीं है. Minus into minus ये डायरेक्टली पता चलेगा. Minus into minus क्या होता है? What is minus into minus? माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या हो गया? वेरी गुड आकाश, वेरी गुड कार्तिक, क्या? टेल मी, माइनस इंटू माइनस कितना हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव? सर इट इज पॉजिटिव सर, पॉजिटिव है, हाँ या ना? रेज योर हैंड, यस और नो? पॉजिटिव है, क्लियर है सबको? सबको क्लियर है, यस और नो? सी कार्तिक, additive inverse में sum of the number, additive inverse sum of the number and its inverse should be zero, right? It is inverse means sum of the number and its inverse should be zero होना चाहिए. But additive identity means the number and its additive identity should give you the same number, which is zero. Additive identity is always zero. Additive identity is zero. Additive inverse is negative of that number. So the answer is A. Clear? Right, Pranav? Right? The answer is A. Because यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? Not. Remember, not. Not पूछ लिया, कौन नहीं है? So this is plus A. This is A into minus 1. Minus A. This is already minus A. Right? And this is A divided by minus 1. This is also minus A. Right? So question पूछा क्या? Not. अब समझ में आया? Not. Which of them is not? Leela, I've already discussed question number 11, Leela, right? ठीक है. Just wait for some time. I'll explain after this. Okay? Right? Because I've already explained now. ठीक है? Okay, Leela? Let me complete this first. चलो. Vocabulary fourth, everyone. Vocabulary fourth. Wait. Right? है ना? So अभी 15 से लेकर 20 तक, 15 से लेकर 20 तक, 21 हो गया है, 21 बताया गया है, 15 से लेकर 20 तक. Vocabulary में fourth. Multiplications are, tell me, multiplication and division ना? Tell me, yes or no? Multiplication and division, right? Are opposite operation, हाँ या ना? जैसे addition और subtraction opposite operation होता है, वैसे ही multiplication and division. Okay, 12. ठीक है, 12. Minus 11 into 7. Again, negative into positive क्या होता है? Again, minus 11 to 7 क्या होगा? Tell me. Minus into plus. Simple. Minus into plus. You don't have to calculate. Minus into plus कितना होता है? Sir, minus होगा sir. This is minus, right? So it is plus into minus, again minus. Minus into plus, again same है, सही है. What is minus into minus? Tell me. C. Minus into minus क्या हो जाएगा? Tell me. C. Minus into minus क्या हो जाएगा? What is negative into negative? Tell me. Negative into negative is, right? Negative into negative is positive, है ना? So tell me, what is the answer? Can a negative number be equal to positive number? Tell me. So 12th का आंसर क्या हो गया? C हो गया ना? Got it, Kinera? Got it? Yes, got it. Okay, very good. ठीक है, चलो 13th. Minus, again minus God mass, right? God mass. पहले multiplication, right? तब subtraction या addition. So minus, again these are questions of class 4th, 5th, right? Minus 10 into minus 5 will give me what? Some 50. Minus plus 50. And plus into minus will give me minus 7. Tell me, 50 minus 7 कितना हो जाएगा? 50 minus 7 कितना हो जाएगा? Wait, Teju, I'll tell you. Fifth one. So it is 43, है ना? Plus 43. ठीक है? Done? Okay, next vocabulary question number 5. Right? 43 na? 43, right? 50 minus 7 is 43. 5th. Again, addition and multiplication. Now we have studied this. Addition and multiplication are commutative. Yes or no? Addition and multiplication are commutative of every number. Right? ठीक है? चलो, vocabulary done. Now 16th. Right? Step by step. Yes. 16th देखो, everyone. 16th. 15th also. ठीक है? 15th तो simple है ना? Which of the following is multiplicative identity? Identity का मतलब क्या होता है? We know that always multiplicative identity is always 1. Yes or no? जैसे additive identity 0 होता है, वैसे multiplicative identity is always 1. Clear? Right? 15 clear. Now 16th. Okay, 16th. Now tell me, first of all, bracket. Sir, bracket. Minus into minus, tell me, what is minus into minus? Tell me. plus plus and plus into minus minus. ये सबको पता है, ये सबको पता है. This is clear. Very good, very good. Yeah, very good everyone. है ना, very good. ठीक है, okay, very good. ठीक है, अब चलो क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Now everyone, let's see the question. Bracket is this, ना? Bracket this. So first we'll do the job of bracket. है ना? Now tell me, don't you think, sir, ये जो है, this is this, sir, A into B into C. Don't you think? Tell me. Don't you think? Raise your hand. Don't you think? Raise your hand. Yes or no? Raise your hand. So it is A into B into C. Step by step. Solve नहीं करना है. We have to be smart. Right? नहीं solve करेंगे sir. Solve नहीं करेंगे. We will be smart. Okay. Now what is A? Tell me what is A? Sir, A is equal to जो A है, that is A into B into C. हाँ या ना? Tell me. This is what A is, right? A क्या है? A into B into C. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Solve नहीं करना है, सोचना है. Right? So this is your which property? Associative property. No, Nishita, it is associative. It is not distributive, Nishita, it is associative, right? So, sir, A is correct. A is correct. A is correct. Now, can I write like this? A into C into B. Can I write like this? A into C into B. Right? Tell me. Hi, Anna. That is also associative, yes or no? Yes. Sir, B is also correct. B is also correct. B is also correct. Okay? Step by step. B is also correct. Okay. Right? Okay. Now, what is this? This is what? A into, tell me, or B into C. ये दोनों same ही है. ये दोनों same actually. Right? This is what? B into A into C. Right? So this is also correct. But ये क्या हो गया भाई? D क्या हो गया? So D is equal to A into B minus A into C. ये सही है क्या? ये तो कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज हो गई? ये तो सर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव हो गई. Right? Yes or no? Which is wrong? Which is wrong? Yes or no? Right? Clear? है ना? So the answer is D. Answer is D. This is the property, right? Distributive. But here we are talking about associative property. So this is wrong. So the answer is D. ठीक है. चलो. 16th के बाद 21 से पहले. Yes. 16th के बाद 21 से पहले. Between 61 and 21. Right? यहाँ पे देखो. 16 और 21 से पहले देखो. Anyone? Any doubt? हमारा टारगेट है कि एटलीस्ट 21. ठीक है. Yes, Swati, that is the correct thing. No, that is the correct. It should be 7 minus 7 only, right? Except D. 21. Which of the following does not represent integer? Right? Don't worry. I'll send you the solution also. I'll send you the solution. I'll send you the solution of this. ठीक है. Don't worry. So tell me, which of the following, okay, which of the following, right, है ना, is not an integer? Now, 0 divided by minus 7. Are 0 divided by anything is equal to what? Tell me. 0 divided by anything. 0 divided by anything is equal to what? 0. Wait, 19, Srijit, wait, no, 0 divided by anything is equal to what? Something happened to my writing pad. Wait. 0 divided by anything, right, is equal to 0. 0 divided by anything. A, B, C, anything is equal to 0. Wait, guys, my internet, this writing. ऐसे खत्म हो गया. A तो ऐसे खत्म हो गया. Right? B. 20 divided by minus 4. 20. Can we divide 20 by 4? हाथ उठा लो. Can we divide 20 by 4? Yes or no? आयुष हो गया. आयुष एक बार प्लीज मैसेज करो सबको ही. Can we divide 20 by 4? Yes, sir. Yes. We will get 5, sir. So 20 divided by minus 4 is minus 5. Right? So it is also integer. Minus 9 divided by 3. Minus 9 divided by 3. Sir, 9 divided by 3 will give me 3. So it is minus 3. It is also integer. But can we divide 12 by 5? No, sir. We cannot divide 12 by 5. So it is not an integer, right? It is not an integer. So the answer is D. द आंसर इज डी। क्लियर है? 21 का क्लियर है? यस, वेरी गुड। ठीक है, सो इज डी। नाउ 19, एक बार 19 चेक कर लो। समवन हैज आस्क्ड 19। ठीक है, 24। यस, वेट वेट अनन्या, 19 एंड 24। 19 इज इजी ना, 19 इजी। ठीक है, अब देखो यहाँ पे 43 into 99 plus 43, which property to use? Raise your hand. Which property will be used? No, Sinchana, you don't have to write the question while writing the answer. You just have to write the answer. ठीक है? Yes, I'm explaining 19, Rachna. ठीक है? Option A 0 हो जाएगा ना श्रेया? Option A 0. 0 is an integer, right? 0 will be an integer, right? 0 is not a fraction. ठीक है? Now, अब बताओ यहाँ पे कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट यूज होगा? सर, व्हाट इज माइनस इंटू माइनस? पहली बात, माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या हो जाए? टेल मी, व्हाट इज माइनस इंटू माइनस? यू डोंट हैव टू कैलकुलेट, यू हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन। सो इट इज प्लस, इट इज 43 into 99 plus 43 into 1. हाँ या ना? टेल मी yes or no. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. दिमाग लगाएंगे, समझेंगे, सीखेंगे। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी, वेरी गुड तेजू। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव ना बिंदु, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव, राइट? सर 43 कॉमन करूंगा सर, 43 will be common. Distributive, right? So it will become 99 plus 1. है ना? Distributive, inverse of distributive. So 99 plus 1 is 100. So 43 into 100. That is 4300. Clear है ये चीज? 19 done. 19 done. So 18th भी हो जाएगा, हाँ या ना? 18th also you can do. 18th is same. 18th is same. 18th is same based on distributive property, right? 18th is also based on distributive property. Clear है? सेम, राइट? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी है ना? सो ये सही है, ये भी सही है, राइट? क्लियर है ना? बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस? व्हाट अबाउट दिस? तो ये सही नहीं है, डी सही नहीं है। हाउ कैन आई राइट लाइक दिस? अगर ये ब्रैकेट होता तब सही होता ना, बट यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट नहीं है। सो द आंसर इज सी। द आंसर इज सी। गॉट इट? 18th मैंने समझा दिया। ठीक है, चलो धनश्री, आई विल एक्सप्लेन 24. Aditya, I have already explained 21. ठीक है, please watch the video after the class. ठीक है, right? Because बहुत सारे डाउट सॉल्व करने हैं ना, right? Please watch the video after the class. ठीक है, एक बार देख लेना। 24 देखो, 24. If A and B, and anyways I will send the solution, no issues. ठीक है, right? Okay, Indu, wait, I'll solve 24, then I'll solve 20. If A and B are two integers, which of the following may not be an integer? Now tell me, which is the closure property? This is a closure property, yes or no? This is a closure property. बताओ, integers do not follow closure property for what? Integers do not follow closure property for division. The answer is D. Notes में लिखा हुआ है, notes में लिखा हुआ है. It follows closure property for addition, subtraction, multiplication. ठीक है, right? So the answer is D. ठीक है, 22. Which of the following is different from other? Which of the following is different from other? So खुद सोचो ना, यहाँ पे क्या है? क्वेश्चन में 22 में देखो क्या है? Sir, it is the sum. It is the sum. Think about it, right? What is 20 minus 25? कैलकुलेट करना है भाई, ऐड करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है। 22 में बस ऐड मल्टीप्लाई करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है। क्लास 3 में पढ़ा हुआ ये काम, हाँ या ना? टेल मी, क्वेश्चन 22 क्लास 3 से पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग। एडिशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन क्लास 3 में पढ़ना है ये। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन 22 में डाउट है तो क्लास 3-4 तक कॉन्सेप्ट दिक्कत है, ऑनेस्टली बता रहा हूँ, बिकॉज कुछ नहीं करना है यहाँ पे 20 minus 25 minus 5 एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन है यार, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा। सो -37 माइनस माइनस प्लस 32 क्या हो गया? -37 प्लस 32 -5 एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन करना जो क्लास 3 से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं। यस और नो? टेल मी, बताओ। राइट? Yes, correct, है ना? This is minus 5, this is plus 5, and this is also minus 5. So the answer is what? C. ठीक है, right? Okay. ठीक है, next 25th. Again, for a non-zero integer, which of the following is not defined? We know anything divided by 0 is not defined. मैंने बताया था ना डिवीजन, मैंने बताया था डिवीजन में कि it should not be 0. Yes or no? P by Q. How many of you remember that P by Q is a rational number, but Q should not be equal to 0. Yes or no? So the answer is A. Yes, Teju, correct. Answer is A. That is a basic theory, right? That's a basic theory. Okay. So 25 तक हो गया हमारा, नाउ अगेन 26, यहाँ पे 26 के बाद बहुत इजी होगा, हाँ या ना, टेल मी। 26 to 30, 26 to 30, राइट? 26 to 30 is very easy, super easy, हाँ या ना, super easy. Odd one out, you have to calculate and tell me. फर्स्ट वन माने सर, यस सर, 26 का सी, राइट? बाकी सब क्या है? पेयर है सर, पेयर ऑफ नंबर इट्स एडिटिव इनवर्स, राइट? यहाँ पे सर इसका सम इज -3, इसका सम इज -3, इसका सम इज -3, बट इसका सम इज -2, यस और नो? पजल जैसा हो गया ये, है ना? यस और नो? राइट? यू हैव टू फाइंड ऑड वन आउट, दिमाग लगाना है, ये सब पूरे कॉमन सेंस वाले बुक प्रॉब्लम्स है, राइट? है ना? वेरी गुड आयुष, कॉमन सेंस वाले हैं, पूरे कॉमन सेंस वाले हैं, 30 तक पूरे कॉमन सेंस वाले हैं। सिंपल एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन, सिंपल एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन, और कुछ नहीं करना है, राइट? सो एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट टिल क्वेश्चन नंबर 30? ओके, 20 था एक, इसमें 20 भी था, so I'll just discuss 20 also. So 20, again 20 is same division, huh? 20 is same division, right? -16 divided by 4 कितना हो जाएगा? Yeah, sorry, my internet was, wait, internet was disconnected, that's why. Now I guess all of you can hear me now. Internet was disconnected in phone. ठीक है, अभी आवाज आ रही होगी, राइट? है ना, अभी आवाज आ रही होगी। ओके, चलो 30 तक कभी हो गया। नाउ अब बताओ 31 to 40, 31 to 40, यहां से बहुत इजी सवाल आ रहे हैं, यहां से बहुत इजी सवाल है। 31 to 40, 27, आंसर मैं बता दूंगा बिंदु, राइट? 27 का आंसर 23, 27, मैक्सिमाइज एडिशन करना है, जस्ट एडिशन, सिंपल एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन, सब्सट्रैक्शन करना है। 32 minus 23, 7, राइट? है ना? +1 minus 10, right? It is difference of 11 degrees centigrade. -18 to minus, again the answer is B, the answer is B. ठीक है, 11 डिग्री चेंज आ रहा है, सब्सट्रैक्शन करना है भाई, सब्सट्रैक्शन को बस कुछ और लैंग्वेज में दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? ओके, राइट रचना? ठीक है, नाउ 27 तो अभी पता है मैंने, 27 I just explained 27 का आंसर क्या है? 27 का आंसर इज D, 27 आंसर इज D. Don't worry about the answers. I'll tell you the answers. I'll send you the solution. Don't worry about that. ठीक है? I'll upload the solution in the classroom. Google Classroom. Same. 31 to 40 बताओ. 31 to 40. 34. ठीक है, 34 देखो. Easy. 34. Concept, right? Concept सोचेंगे. Wait guys. 34. -8 plus this into this. Answer दिया हुआ है, answer is given. This is based on which property? So this is based on commutative property. हाँ या ना? Right? ये -3 है, so this is -3, एक नंबर -3 है, और इन दोनों का सम ये -3 है, so what is this? Tell me. -8 -3 कितना होता है? -8 -3 कितना होता है? Tell me. -8 -3. See 27 का, राइट? 27 का राइट सम पूछ रहा है, दोनों को ऐड करोगे, कितना होगा? -3 होगा ना? ठीक है, दोनों नेगेटिव से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दोनों को ऐड करो -3, दोनों को ऐड करो -3, बट यहाँ पे दोनों ऐड होते हैं -2, ठीक है? आंसर इज डी, राइट? ऑपरेशंस की बात हो रही है 27 में, ठीक है स्वाति? Okay. Now 30, yeah, 34. We know that's one of the two numbers is -3. So ये -3 हो गया. What is this number? So that this difference is -3. Tell me. ये क्या होना चाहिए? So -8 into -3 is -11. -11 plus is it plus क्या कि वो -3 देगा? Tell me. -3 में क्या ऐड करेंगे? What we will add to -11? That will give you -3. Tell me. Easy है ना? Sir, obviously we will add +8. Yes or no? We will add +8. +8, right? Yes or no? Hi Anna, we will add +8. Clear? We will add +8. +8 ना लीला, +8. +8 करेंगे ना, -11 +8 will give you -3. Made sense ना? I'll explain 35. Right? अभी 34 चल रहा है, ठीक है? Okay. The answer is this is -3, this is +8. Now 35. नंबर लाइन में -4 into 3 represent by which point? अरे ये -12 है, this is -12, right? And this is 2. Means every division is of 2 units. हाँ या ना? Every division of 2 units means ये -18 है, ये -16 है, ये -14 है, ये -12 है, -10 है, right? ये -8 है, ये -6 है, ये -4 है, ये -2 है, ये 0, ये 2 है. बताओ 4 into -3 is what? -12 ना. 4 into -3 is -12. तो the -12 कौन सा पॉइंट है यहाँ पे? Which point is -12? Sir, D point is -12. Yes or no? D point is -12. Clear? Clear? ये समझ में आया सबको? Right? D point is -12. Very good. Very good, everyone. Clear? I guess this is clear. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, very good. Very good, everyone. Next. 40 तक और कोई doubts? 40 तक और कोई doubts? Any doubts till 40? 40 तक बताओ. Yes, no मत लिखो, बस 40 doubts भेजो. Just doubts. 42. Right? 42. ठीक है. Everyone, क्वेश्चन 42 देखो. जो सॉल्व किए होंगे उनके लिए जल्दी जल्दी हो जा रहा होगा. ये क्या हो गया? Right? 42. While multiplying a positive integer and a negative integer, and put negative signs. Yes or no? Hi Anna. Right? ये तो basic theory है. We multiply them as positive numbers and put negative sign. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. This is just what we do. This is a theory. Yes or no? अगर तुमको multiply करना -4, right? -4 into -3. Something is happening to writing pad. ठीक है? अगेन यहाँ पे साइन की बात हो रही है ना, जरूरी तो ही ना है, साइन की बात हो रही है, राइट? और होल नंबर कैसे हो सकता है? नेगेटिव इंटू पॉजिटिव क्या देगा? टेल मी. नेगेटिव इंटू पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव देगा ना, राइट? यहाँ पे इंटीजर की बात हो रही है, तो हाउ कैन इट बी अ होल नंबर? थिंक अबाउट इट. ओके. हाँ, पॉजिटिव नंबर मतलब होल नंबर, वो वैसे बोल रहे हो क्या? यस, देन इट कैन बी होल नंबर. यस, राइट? देन इट कैन बी होल नंबर बिकॉज आई एम सेइंग पॉजिटिव नंबर्स ना, सो पॉजिटिव नंबर्स इज अ होल नंबर. ठीक है, सही है, राइट? यस, राइट? यस, ठीक है, गॉट इट. होल नंबर. यस. So again, positive number is a whole number only, right? है ना? ठीक है, got it. चलो next 44 तक. I thought कि तुम लोग multiplication को whole number बोल रहे हो, ठीक है, इसीलिए. ठीक है, that's what I thought, right? I thought कि तुम लोग multiplication को whole number बोल रहे हो, है ना? A वाला ऑप्शन तो whole number होगा, multiplication whole number नहीं होगा. 44, 47. Wait, अभी 44, 47. 44 देखो. 44 का क्वेश्चन क्या है? If you multiply 6 negative integers and 6 positive integers, then the resulting integer is positive or negative. Tell me. Positive or negative? Simple. Leela, batao, positive or negative? Obviously, right? Positive, because if you multiply any sign, right, even number of times, it will become positive. If you multiply any sign, Shreya, it is positive. ठीक है, right? है ना? Because negative into negative, positive. Then negative, negative, positive. Wait. Screen share got disconnected. Wait. Just give me a minute. Screen share हट गया. My laptop is hanging a lot. Okay. Done. ठीक है. Got it, everyone? So positive into positive, positive. Negative into negative, positive. So see, 6 times means, right? 2, right? Into 3 times. So positive plus positive, sorry, positive into positive, right? Very good. Very good, right? Okay, even number positive. So remember like this. If any sign is multiplied even times, right? If you multiply minus into minus even times, minus into minus even times, it will be positive. है ना? If you multiply odd times, then it will be odd times, then it will be negative, right? Odd, then it is negative. Something happened to my writing pad today, so that's why it is weird, right? Working weird. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, very good, everyone. Very good. चलो, next 47. Next is 47. We get additive inverse of an integer a when we multiply it by -1 ना, हाँ या ना? Additive inverse पूछा जा रहा है, तो we multiply it by -1. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Tell me. The answer is -1, right? -1 or minus. Simple. -1 or minus, because minus का मतलब -1 ही है ना, right? Okay, Rachna, right? Priya, right? Everyone. So the answer of 47 is -1 or minus. ठीक है? The answer of 41 is -1 or minus. Okay. चलो, next till 54. Till 54. Doubts till 54. Okay, wait, Sinchana. Wait. मेरा writing pad थोड़ा सा खराब हो गया है. Just give me a minute. Okay. 39 and 44. So 39 is what? 11 into -5 is minus 11 into 5. Right? Simple. And this is -55. Ayana. 39. 44 देखो. -2 into -2 into -2 into -2. कोई भी number ले लो ना, into -2. So minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Into -2. Minus into plus. Sorry, minus into minus plus. So if you multiply anything even number of times, any sign even number of times, no, Pranav, today we will not play in Kahoot, right? We don't have that much time. Okay, right? Okay, so I completed with 44. Okay, chalo, next. Wait, guys, it got hanged. My laptop got hanged. Okay, next. Till 54. Till 54. 52. Okay, 52. Now 52 is a basic property, right? Hayana, distributive property. How many of you remember this, sir? -99 can be written as -100 plus 1. Yes or no? Hayana. It's a distributive property, right? So -99 को हमने -100 plus 1 लिखा. Now using the property of distribution, I can write it as 23 into -100 plus 23 into 1. ठीक है? Done. 52. Okay. Next 54. 52 मैंने बता दिया ना बिंदु. Everyone take your time, try to understand question 54. Sorry, 52. 52 मैंने बता दिया. It is a property of distribution, right? Property of distribution. Okay, very good आदित्य. 50 तक क्या है? हम लोग बस हो गया. अभी 60 तक करेंगे. Objectives कर लेंगे एक बार. 60 तक बताओ. 60 तक कोई doubts? Objective easy. Objective कर लेंगे आज. ठीक है? Objectives कर लेंगे. No, Teju, it cannot be -1 ना, because see 100 -100 already दे दिया ना तेजू. -100 is already given. 47 मैंने अभी बताया ना. We get additive inverse of a number when it is multiplied by -1. This is -1. right? And Teju, see here, it is minus 100 is already given, so it is plus 1, na? Tell me yes or no, because if you take it as minus 1, it will become minus 101, है ना? But it should be minus 99, right? So I guess 71 तक काफी इजी सवाल है, 71 तक काफी इजी है, 71 तक सबसे बन जाने चाहिए, हाँ या ना? 71 तक सबसे बन जाने चाहिए। Okay, 59, let us see 59. Wait, my laptop hanged. Okay, 59. When we divide a negative number by a positive integer, we divide them as a whole number and put a negative sign, na? Tell me yes or no. This is a theory, right? Negative by negative, positive, negative by positive, negative, right? Negative number, negative sign. This is a theory, okay? 59 is a theory, na? Right? Yes, correct. 59 is a theory. Okay. Okay. Right, correct. Okay. So I guess 50 तक ही यहीं तक सबने किया है ना? So I will give you one more day to solve. ठीक है? I will give you one more day to solve, right? Because we will complete this in this week. In this, x into this is equal to minus 920. So you just have to divide 920 by 23. ठीक है? Got it? You will get the answer. हाँ या ना? Right? So answer is 40. Answer is 40. 40. Division है, basic division है. This is a basic division, right, Rachna? Basic division. Okay, this is a basic division. Yes, correct. Okay, everyone. Right? आज का टाइम डिस्कशन में 1 घंटा ऐसे चला गया, पता भी नहीं चला. 1 hour is completed.